in response to the fervent requests from fans. The incredibly lazy person's delicacy. The delicious frozen cooked spicy short-neck clam is here. First, pour the clams that have been thawed at room temperature into a plate. Place them in the microwave and heat on high for 5 minutes. Or pour them into a pot, cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Time up. Plate it and start eating. The fragrant sauce envelopes the taste of the clam. And the meat is incredibly plump. One bite after another, can't stop. Do you like this delicious clam dish? Jack and Kings, a taste of China anytime anywhere.